Hello everyone, my name is Krishnan, second year MCA student in Kannur University. My seminar topic is Scene Construction from Multiple Views. Introduction. Scene construction refers to building a 3D model from multiple 2D images. Use images captured from different viewpoints. Import and computer vision and image processing. Definition. Scene construction from multiple views is the process of reconstructing a 3D scenes using multiple 2D images taken from different camera positions. Example, here a image shows input views and cameras, vocal occupancy and point clouds. Basic concept. Each image provides partial information. Combining multiple views gives depth perception, similar to human vision. Here example image shows human eyes view, origin image and left eye view and right eye view. Key concept. Feature detection. Identifying the points means edge and corners. Feature matching. Match same points across images. Depth estimation means calculate distance using geometry. Here example is shown below. Correspondence problem. Finding matching points in multiple images. Challenging due to lighting changes, occlusion, viewpoint difference. Epipolar geometry defines relationship between two camera views. Reduce search space for matching points. Use epipolar lines and fundamental metrics. Triangulation. Compute 3D position from 2D image points. Use interaction of rays from cameras. Core step in 3D reconstruction. Approaches. First one, stereo vision. Two images, left and right. Fast but limited. Second one, structure from motion. SFM. Multiple images recovers camera motion plus structure. Third one, multi-view stereo MVS. Dense 3D construction, high accuracy. Pipeline in 3D construction. First one, image capture. Second one, feature detection. Third one, feature matching. Fourth one, camera pose estimation. Fifth one, triangulation. Sixth one, bundle adjustment. Seventh, dense reconstruction. Applications 3D modeling, games, movies, robotics and navigation, augmented reality AR, autonomous vehicles, medical imaging. Advantages and challenges. Advantages: accurate 3D reconstruction, use normal cameras, scalable. Challenges: occlusion, lighting variation, high computation cost, matching errors. Conclusion: convert 2D image to 3D scenes, essential in modern technologies, key roles in AI, AR, robotics. Thank you.